Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and it's a fine March morning. I've come to this beautiful little valley, very steep-sided valley covered in wild garlic. It's a very magical place for me. It's one of my favourite places, and my attention has been caught by this tree behind me. So this path through this little wood, this little valley wood, was used a lot in the past. This was a very busy area in Industrial Revolution times, and many people would have used this path to get to work, or to go for walks on Sunday, or to come and gather their wild garlic for cooking. And there's a lot of farm animals around here also. This was a kissing gate that allowed access from the lane onto this footpath, and it interfered with this tree that was growing here. And I just love the way this tree has gone, no problem, I'll grow around it. It's gorgeous. I'll show you a close-up. The tree has consumed this gate, and it almost looks like the tree has grown the gate out of it rather than the other way around. It's a beautiful sight to me. It's a beautiful sight, and it's a beautiful thought that nature is very powerful and very resourceful, and when we put obstacles in her path, she can find solutions. It cheers me to see this.